All bets on sports.
One is fair.
Huge winnings.
One is fair.
High odds.
One is fair.
Fast pay.
One is fair. One is fair.
Bookmaker Company.
Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Ayush Sharma Official 5.5, and as you have all read the titles and are here up to regarding the 1xBet app, so I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding 1xBet app and will tell you about my review, how is the app and how can you use it to win a certain good amount when you're playing some sports fantasy game and betting in some games like basketball, baseball and cricket. So the app 1xBet is available on this website, or you can go to the description and check out with the link and download the Android app for 1xBet, as well as there is a link for the website of 1xBet.com. like you can just go and play online as well. And the app, like you can see on the screen, like I have downloaded the app and just now it's loading. It's all promotions, all documents, and just I have got to to the interface of this app. And when I click the three lines, I can see an option for logging, and when I click login, you have seen like there is an option of registration. And when you just click on registration, there are four options. Either you can choose any by phone, by social media, by email. Just like I chose for phone, I entered my mobile number, my currency, and like promo code which is blinking here, 0808 is your promo code. Just enter the promo code, and whether you want to use the bonus as playing or just you want to reject the bonus, it's as your choice, and just accept the terms and conditions and proceed further. Now like I have got I have to send an OTP on my number. I'll get an OTP. When I'll get the OTP, I'll enter and I'll get my login credentials. Like I have got my login credential, I have copied it, and you can see like I have entered and I have logged into the app 1xBet. And you can see many games which are running out, like there is basketball and I see NSC. Many games are just there, and you can just have it, and like I am selecting one of the app, and you can see that I can bet on any games and get a good back. Like here is a double bonus, and like one bet, the 1 period, 2 period, you can have as according to you. You can even just stake a small amount of rupees 10 also, which is a very good feature I liked in that you can start with a very less investment of 10 rupees and you can get maximum out of 58 rupees from that 10 rupees. So I think this app is a good app, because if you are interested in this games and sports freak and are just like into the betting and are good at guessing, this app is best for you. And 1xBet app is one of the best app I would suggest if you are interested in betting and are sitting at home and want to earn extra bucks in your pocket. And then this app is the best, and you can easily withdraw this money into your bank account without any hassle. And this app is a perfect app for me. I have tried myself and I have made 120 rupees out of this. So I have just used it around 2 to 3 days and I have got 120 rupees in this app. So I would suggest this is a perfect app for one who is looking for betting and is interested in sport things. So and if you like the video, just like the and if you just like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. As well as description, you will get the link for this 1xBet app. You can download it with a promo code 0808. Thank you. This is Ayush Sharma signing out.